Listen up, soldier. This might very well be the most important mission that will ever take place in your life. Now, there is a bomb lodged in one of the most important buildings in New York City. And if we do not get the launch codes to stop the bomb, then there will be hundreds of thousands of casualties tomorrow at 0800. And we cannot have that happen, soldier, now can we?
No, sir. I realize time is of the essence. Brief me on my mission.
Now, we have pinpointed the exact location of the codes to disarm the bomb, although it's not an ordinary one. It is a bomb made by the Dark Legion.
The Dark Legion? But they've been gone for... How?
Your guess is as good as ours, soldier. They've been in the dark for 15 years, but all of a sudden, they're back.
We have to stop them. We lost too many soldiers the last time in 13 dealing with the Dark Legion. They must pay for what they did.
As they will, soldier. But if we do not stop them before 0800 tomorrow, the reign of terror will begin once again. But your mission, soldier, your mission is to infiltrate the building where their server is located, download the codes, and upload the virus, then get to the extraction point. But it won't be easy, soldier. It won't be easy. And you'll need this.
Well, that's why you have me, sir. Because I'm the best of the best. I'll get the damn job done.
That's what I like to hear, soldier. Now, wheels up in 30.
Command, I'm on site. Infiltration is about to commence. Hold on. I see somebody. HQ, I see one guard. I'm going in. One bogey down. I'm moving forward. HQ, I've infiltrated the building. Point me in the right direction.
Okay, make your way through the kitchen and there should be a door on your left.
Copy that.
Proceed with caution.
HQ, that was the wrong room.
No, that was the right room. He had to go. We can't leave any bogeys alive.
Fine, where do I go now?
There should be a staircase on your left, and once you're at the top, make your way to the double-doored room.
Stand by. HQ, I'm in. There's too many computers. I need to know which one.
If you look to your right, it should be the computer closest to the window. That's where the signal is the strongest.
I'm on it. Okay, HQ, it's in. What do I do now?
Okay, now the virus is already uploaded to the mainframe. Now start the download sequence by entering this numeric code, 8307.
Copy that. Entering the code now. It's done.
Alright, now protect the computer at all costs until the download is complete.
Stand by. HQ, bogey down.
Good job, soldier. Now grab the hard drive and head to the extraction point.
Copy that, HQ. I have the hard drive. Heading to the extraction point now.
Thanks to you, soldier. Thousands of lives were saved today.
Thank you, sir. I told you I'd get the damn job done.
You sure did, soldier. But that was just a battle today. The war is not over. Now, are you familiar with the Nemesis program?